Hi there, I'm Chris, and in this video I'll be discussing the pros and cons of my top 5 websites to find work as a developer. Fiverr is a freelancer services market. What this means is that you offer your services and then clients get in contact with you about the services that you've offered. The pros to this approach is that there is a low barrier to entry. This means that you can build experience quickly in this space. Also, there is a high quantity of clients. There are lots of them on Fiverr. On the other hand, the cons to this approach is that it is generally considered a low quality marketplace. Second, the clients are not vetted. Anyone can ask for your services, and there is little vetting process from Fiverr itself. This means it's a good place to start, but is not the right place for experienced developers. In fourth place is Upwork. Upwork is different from Fiverr because instead of offering your services, clients ask for a service and you apply, like other jobs. The pros of this is that it's a very popular platform. There are lots of jobs posted on Upwork. Plus, they have low fees. They only charge 20% for the first $500 that you make, and then 10% after that. The cons for Upwork are because it's so popular, there is a lot of competition. Sometimes 20 to 30 applicants for each job. This means you can spend a lot of time applying and not a lot of time actually earning money. In third place is Braintrust. Braintrust is the wild card of these top 5.
Wild card!
It is a decentralized developer community for Web3 developers. It is great because it has really low fees, a 10% fee, and the money goes towards finding more clients. That said, there are not as many jobs here as comparison to other platforms. Also, the jobs here are mostly related to Web3 space, so if you're not interested in Web3, then this probably isn't the place for you. In number 2 is Toptal. Toptal is considered one of the most prestigious developer websites in the space at the moment. They claim to hire only the top 3% of developers. This is great, because it looks great on your CV and means you can charge higher prices for your work. You can charge between $80 to $200 per hour for Toptal. Plus, there is higher quality clients as they have been vetted by Toptal. Also, you are well protected. I have heard of developers where the client disappeared and they still got paid for their work. That said, if you don't have a lot of experience, or you don't have a good university degree, you are unlikely to pass the interview and vetting process required to become a developer at Toptal. Also, they're a relatively large company in this space, which means they can be slightly less personal than other smaller companies that are also doing the same job. My pick for number 1 is Lemon.io. They are a developer-focused freelancing website, and the reason they come in number 1 is because they are focused on keeping the developers happy above all else. This means they talk to the clients for you, they even help negotiate your rates. Plus, there are lots of jobs on Lemon.io. The cons are, they aren't as prestigious as Toptal, and therefore the rates are lower. The average rate is $35 to $65 per hour. The reason they come in number 1 though, is because they are so developer focused. Above all else, they want to keep the developers happy, and that is why they are number 1. I haven't covered every freelancer website, so if there's one that I've missed that is your favourite, put it in the comments below. I've also got a special promo code for the first 50 people who use it. It's for TimeNavi, it's the number 1 time tracker in Google Workspace, and with the promo code you'll get 1 month free. Thanks again, and see you next time.